Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening settings and going straight to battery. Tap battery usage or device care, then battery to see the graph and per app list. This shows drains over the last 24 hours or since full charge. Once done, make sure you select the appropriate time range so data reflects recent activity. You're establishing the baseline so you can compare apps. This avoids chasing background noise and gets you straight to the apps that actually consume power. Next, scan the per app percentages and tap any high entries to reveal details. You want to distinguish foreground activity from background use. A high background number often means wake clocks or background services. Once you inspect details, check permissions like location or sync that commonly cause drains, and note screen on time and CPU usage. Make sure to record which apps spike repeatedly. Those are the true culprits, not occasional short bursts that won't now take action. Force stop or restrict background activity, adjust permissions such as location or background refresh, and uninstall if needed. Once done, reboot the phone to clear transient states, then monitor the battery graph for at least 24 hours to verify improvement. Make sure to test under normal usage. If the problem persists, try safe mode to rule out third-party apps. A key troubleshooting tip: if drains continue, check for outdated system updates or factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.